Hello everyone, my name is Veer Kumar Patil and I am pretty excited to start a new series, Podman Essentials, a complete guide for automation testing professional. So this video series introduces you Podman, a containerization tool, and explore its application for test automation. So briefly, I will explain you what I'm going to cover in this video series. So first of all, we'll talk about what is Podman, how it is similar or how it's a bit different from the Docker in terms of architecture, Podman advantages. Then we'll talk about Podman architecture, installing Podman on different operating systems like Linux, macOS, and Windows through different through installation script or via package manager. Then we'll see basic Podman commands, container lifecycle management, like how you can start, stop, and restart containers, pause and pause containers, run containers in background, view container logs, and run commands inside the container. So these are the different things that we can consider when it comes to container lifecycle management. Then we'll bit deep dive into the automation testing with Podman, like how we can create isolated test environment, manage dependencies with container images. Then we'll try to see how we can build images for our automation code itself, and is there a possibility to run it in parallel for test execution. Then we'll go one more advanced level. We'll try to use the Podman Compose, which is kind of similar to Docker Compose, where we it will help us to run the multi-container application, and where we can try to create a complex test setups, and we'll try to work on that. And lastly, we'll try to integrate it with automation frameworks like Selenium, Cypress. So basically the idea here is how we can use the Selenium grid with Podman Compose, and how is there a possibility of creating a reporting tool infra using a Podman Compose with container images basically, and how you can use the Podman to run automated tests. So this is the brief agenda of the course that I'm going to cover. Stay tuned for more details on this.